Another word in context question. Go ahead, guys. 30 seconds. Your time starts now. Type in the answers. Epitomizing is Divyam's answer. Okay. And Ryan and Sohani, both of you have answered D. Yeah. Ryan, you've changed your answer to A. Okay. So, Ryan, you just changed your answer. You had the correct answer. Okay. So this one, I think only one who answered D is Sohani, right? Sohani is right. Okay. I'll tell you how I went about it or how you should go about it. Okay, Sohani, how did you get to D? You tell me. How did you get to D?
After it says traditional boundaries, so it would mean that something's breaking the rules, which would be transcending.
Excellent. So reinforcing means putting the thing back in place. Right. You're making sure the traditional boundaries stick. Okay, I'll just explain this segment to you. Okay, the work of molecular biophysicist Enrique M. de la Cruz is known for traditional boundaries between academic disciplines. So number one, there's an element of boundary there. Okay, and it's doing something between these boundaries. Either it can strengthen it or weaken it. Right? Is she keeping these traditional boundaries rigidly, or is she breaking these boundaries? Let's see what she's trying to do. The university laboratory that De La Cruz runs includes engineers, biologists, chemists, and physicists at the research lab. And the research the lab produces makes use of significant insights and techniques from all those fields. So isn't she combining all these fields? So is she keeping the boundary or breaking it? She's breaking it. Right? She's not sticking to the boundaries. Biologists, you do biology. No. She's telling biologists, come here. Physicists, come here. Chemists, come here. Let's get together, use our knowledge to come with research or do some research. So reinforcing would be, opposite of breaking. You're reinforcing, you're re-supporting it. Anticipating doesn't make sense. What is the word epitomizing? I think, Divyam, you answered epitomizing. So again, doesn't epitomizing, what is the meaning of the word epitomizing, first of all?
Being an example of something.
Divyam, do you know the correct meaning? That's
no. What happened was, I knew there was not two. First was not the answers. I went to C and D. Transcending didn't sound well, so I just went with C.
Epitomizing is the ultimate example of something. If I tell you, Lionel Messi is the epitome of football. Okay. Or Messi epitomizes what a football player should be. Okay. So that's giving you an ideal example of it. So out here, she's doing the opposite of epitomizing. She's doing the opposite of maintaining the boundaries. She's breaking down the boundaries. Okay. So what they are doing is not epitomizing the state in which all branches of science are kept separate. Rather, they are doing the opposite. Transcending means to go beyond. Okay, so when you break boundaries, you transcend them. You go beyond them. Are we clear with why D should be the answer, guys?